This tutorial will introduce you to the Opposing Viewpoints database, which is a great place to begin to build your background knowledge on a topic. From the Triton High School library page, we scroll down to Gale, and here the choices are presented in alphabetical order. So scrolling through the alphabet, we get down to the O's, and we open Opposing Viewpoints. Here we can browse the issues, or if we know where we're starting, we could search for a specific topic. Here I'm going to browse the issues, and I am going to choose immigration. What's nice about this site is it gives you a variety of types of content. So it starts with a general background on the issue. And if you scroll down here, you can see there are opinion pieces or editorials representing either side, primary sources, magazine articles, reference, and so forth. Data, statistics, so if you're preparing for any kind of a debate, this is actually really an ideal place to start. So let's just click primary sources. And this is going to bring us to, it looks like maybe some judicial testimony or some sort of speeches. Here we have Michael Bloomberg speaking. We can open this up and it gives us information about where and when this speech took place. We could go through and read the article. Over on the right, another nice feature is it gives us links or suggestions about other related topics. And here, as we're building our background knowledge, it gives us related subjects. So clicking on any of these is going to bring us to a link related articles. As always, before we finish our research, we're going to want to cite the source and either get a permalink or send this article to our Google Drive so that we can refer back to it later when it's time to take notes.